Hello crafty people, welcome to Let's Create Together by Aqua Design Studio. Under this playlist you will find a series of craft along videos. With each video we will tell you where you can download the design or font, we will provide a list of materials and tools needed, and we will include product links where possible so you can easily source similar materials locally if you're not based in the UK. As we become more established, we plan to add affiliate links and discount codes. The links will cost you nothing to use, however you will be supporting our channel if you use these links. In today's video we will be showing you how to make a Santa's magic key tag and coordinating magical reindeer food tag with your Cricut cutting machine. Okay, before we start, we can confirm this project is compatible with all Cricut cutting machines using the Design Space app on desktop, iOS and Android devices. The SVG file should also be compatible with all other brands of cutting machines. Materials and tools are listed under the description of the video, and where possible we will include links. Let's get started. Step 1. Upload your SVG to Cricut Design Space and check its sizing. Today I'm using Design Space on a Windows machine. While I remember, I'm just going to change my cutting machine to the Cricut Maker. If you're on a mobile device, the upload button is at the bottom. You're going to upload the image and select the SVG file, and then select open. On a mobile device you will need to give it a name, but here I'm just copying it so that I can paste it when I name the file. Once it's uploaded, select the file and save. The actual size of the blank is 9 cm by 5 cm. This is imported to scale and it doesn't need to be adjusted. As we're using an acrylic blank today, we don't need the actual tag that's attached, so that can be ungrouped and hidden or deleted. On a mobile device, ungroup is found at the bottom menu. Before proceeding, I'd like to mention that we happen to have exceptionally hot weather in the UK while I was testing different machines and vinyl, so the letters were lifting where the adhesive had overheated. I'm therefore going to show you a technique that can be used. This is called reverse weeding. I'm using a weeding box, so I hide the tag, go to shapes and add a rectangle. I take the padlock off so that I can change the shape. Then I go to arrange and send it to the back. Lastly, I attach so that it will send both the text and the rectangle to the same cutting mat. Step 2. Place your vinyl on the green cutting mat. Select Make It and move the design on the canvas to match the position of the vinyl on your cutting mat. Select Continue. You will then be prompted to select the material type. I find premium outdoor vinyl works on most vinyl except glitter and foil vinyl. You will then be prompted to load the fine point blade and the mat. And finally, press the load unload button on your cutting machine. Design Space will check your tools are loaded. Then you will need to press the C on your cutting machine for it to start cutting. I'm using the Cricut Maker machine to cut, and you will also see in the top right hand corner I did run a test cut on the Cricut Joy machine. The Cricut Joy doesn't have any buttons, so all of the prompts are done from the app. I have increased the speed of the video here, as I'm sure you don't want to watch it cut in real time. While your machine is cutting, your app will show a percentage of how long the cut has to go. When your cut is finished, you will need to press the Unload Mat button. Step 3. Weed your vinyl and apply it onto your acrylic tag. While I remember, there is a quick tip to remove your vinyl from the mat, which is to turn it over and pull the mat away from the actual design. As I explained earlier, we were experiencing extremely hot weather in the UK, so weeding any vinyl was difficult at this time. I'm weeding the regular way here, but as you will see, some letters are lifting and it's difficult to keep everything in place. You will also see the S flicks off, and I'm so pleased that I managed to recover it. I'm using the clear Cricut transfer tape today, as I like to work with the grid. The acrylic blanks come with a protective cover on both sides, and this needs to be removed before you apply your vinyl. Now for the reverse weeding technique. I'm actually using a different vinyl and a blank for this one. I've just realised that I haven't pulled the protective coating off of the acrylic blank, so I'm just doing that now. And then cutting the vinyl down so that I can create a weeding box. This acrylic gift tag is a frosted chili red, by the way, and it is absolutely gorgeous. At the end of the video I will include photographs of all the products I've made. As you can see, I'm fighting with the transfer tape, but when I do eventually manage to peel it away, I place it over the actual design. I use the scraper to attach to the transfer tape, and then I will transfer it onto the blank. As you will see, the heat is also affecting the reverse weeding technique, as the vinyl is just sticking to the blank. You will see that I'm pulling the vinyl away from different angles where it is tearing. I'm therefore using my true control knife to pull out the extra bits and being very careful not to damage the acrylic. Step 4. If you sell your handmade products, I've given you some tips to help them stand out and look unique. Here's a list of some of the UK's suppliers, and where possible I will include some links in the description. For the Santa's key, I'm cutting some gold ribbon. Before adding the bells, I'm going to heat the ends with a lighter. This stops the ends from fraying. I tie a double knot to secure the bells in place. Then attach the ribbon to the key. And finally, I tie a knot at the end of the ribbon before threading it through the hole on the gift tag. And finally, I thread the key back through the ribbon to secure it onto the tag. Step 5. For the reindeer food, use birdseed and foiled organza bags. Edible glitter is harmful to the wildlife, which is why we recommend using foiled organza bags. I'm just using a small measuring cup for the birdseed, and I put it directly into the organza bag. Well, I try to anyway. Once it's inside, I pull on the cord one way and then I put it through the middle of the tag and feed the bag through the other end to secure it. To finish customising these coordinating tags, I'm going to add some stars and some snowflakes. These were also cut on the Cricut Maker machine and will be included with the design. Again, the video is on fast forward so that you don't have to watch me painstakingly put each star on at a time. Now for the big reveal. To support the small businesses who order these acrylic blanks from Woodform Crafts, we will be providing up to 8 sets of free stock photographs. These can be used in your online store to gauge interest. Given that the website is not fully functional, you will need to join our Facebook group and answer the questions. Once you've been accepted into the group, you will have access to the links. We have also posted a free promotional video called 5 Reasons to Support Handmade This Christmas. This video can be shared to your business Facebook pages and your Facebook groups and other social media channels. You just need to be aware that the music is licensed, so it cannot be taken from the video and used. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so that you will be notified each time we upload a video.